Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam here. This is February 21st, 2023. And I just want to make a short video of this D20 running. Very clean, very original. It's got a pressure gauge. It's more of a temperature gauge on these old gauges than a pressure gauge. And it works somewhat, but not very reliable. A little weep and seal around the boiler, but I think I've pretty much got it. It hadn't been running a year. I think the gasket dried out a little bit. It's doing well now. And we got her just loping over. This is a special engine. I put an immersion rod or heating element in it and a brass sleeve. That's replaceable. And it's got its own built-in variac right here. So that's a bit unusual. I had to take it all apart to do that. And it's 110 volts, a little over 500 watts, just under 600. And it's got the old style whistle pressure gauge in. It's got another safety valve right there. It's all in very good condition. See, she runs very well. We'll open it up here in a minute. I like these old style pull governors. I've got an oiler right there. And I just put another O-ring in that throttle right there. It was a little leaky, so I fixed that. Let's open her up. And of course, we've got a drain valve there. It's running on reduced power right now. Probably about half the wattage. And let's flick it over the other way. Runs well in either direction. There we go, folks. You can see maybe a drop there. It's tightening up. Alright. Like I say, these old ones are not pressure gauges, they're like thermal gauges. It goes by the heat of the boiler, not the pressure. They did that back in that day. So we have our most of it's 3/4 to full is what makes most of the power. Let's turn it over. Controlled by the throttle or the variac. Very nice to have a variac on board. There we go, folks. Thanks for looking as always. I appreciate it. Have a good day now. Bye. I think I am missing the ring at the top of the chimney.